Alright guys, so this is how to edit this video. First of all, you have to mount your camera on the tripod using landscape, just like the way you see me do right now. Then you record an empty scene just like this. Now after recording an empty scene, you can now go in with a chair. You get my point? Go in with a chair. Then make sure the chair is at the towards the center. You get my point? Center of your recording. You get my point? So you can do as if something just fell off from the chair or from your pocket. Then you are going back to pick it. Then after picking it, you make this surprise gesture. You get my point? Then you can now walk away. You get my point? So now walking away, you need to turn to the other end of the screen and come in and sit down on that chair. Now when you sit down on that chair, you'll be looking towards the direction of the person, the imaginary person. You get my point? Look as if you are trying to measure where the face of the person was located. You get my point? So try to make it realistic. So when you are done, you can now walk away, save your video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. So guys, we are on Capcut already, so we want to edit this video right now. So at this point, I'll tap on this mute clip button right here. You get my point? Because of the noise, the sound in the background. You get my point here. So now we recorded an empty scene. So that is what we need right now. So let's target that empty scene right now. So before the character walks in, I will just tap here, tap on split. Now you are going to look for overlay. So look at overlay right here. Click on overlay. You get my point? So this particular layer will come down and that makes it the second layer. Guys, please like and share this video. If you're coming across my videos for the first time, please do well to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. You get my point? So that's just it. So when you are done with this, you are going to tap and hold it, drag it to the beginning of the video. So that is it. Something like this. So you are going to move this video towards where the character left the scene. Now how you want the video to end. You can decide to end the video from here. You can decide to allow the character to walk away. Maybe I'll have to stop my own somewhere here. You get my point? So I will tap on the layer, tap on split. Now I'm going to move the video towards where the character wants to come in from the other end. Something like this. So from this point, I'm seeing the character's leg. I will tap on split. Then I will delete this part here. I'll delete this part right here. So now this will be the third layer. Guys, I hope you are following. Please follow it step by step because I'm revealing everything. You get my point? So now you are going to tap and hold it, bring it to the third layer. Bring it here to the third layer like this. Align it right there. You get my point? So now as you can see, the empty scene here has not gotten to the end of the second layer, which the video will stop because we want everything to stop here. This second layer right here, you get my point? Everything will have to stop there. So what we need to do is to tap on the first layer, which is the empty background. So what you're going to do next is to go and look for freeze. Where is freeze? So click on freeze. When you click on freeze, you're going to have something like this. You get my point? Don't worry, that is okay. So now let's come back here and see what we want to do right here. So at this point, you are going to tap on the third layer. Now go and look for opacity. Now tap on opacity and reduce it. You get my point? Reduce the opacity so that you'll be able to see both characters. You get my point? And from there you'll be able to mask it. So at this point, tap on OK. Let it just be the way it is. Now come here. As you can see, this third layer, the character on the third layer has already seated. You get my point? So you need to tap on it, bring it here, because we need to drop the chair first. You get my point? So just adjust it somewhere here. So let it be that the character has dropped the chair. Now from that time, he wants to turn a hair, something like this. You get my point? So this is perfect. So if you are following, if you are doing the way I'm doing, then you are getting everything right. You get my point? So this is okay like this. So what you need to do, tap on the third layer again. Now go to opacity. Go to opacity. Where is that opacity? Tap on it. Now increase it to 100. You get my point? So that is just it there. Now the next thing for you to do, guys, you've not liked this video. You have not liked this video. Please like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Am I too fast? Am I too slow? Say something. Just say something. You get my point? So now we are going to look for mask. Remember, we are still on the third layer. You get my point? So you are going to go look for mask. Where is mask? So you click on mask at this point. So you are going to click on the horizontal mask. You get my point? So at this point, you tap on the adjust button, move to rotate. So you are going to rotate to reveal the two characters just like this. You can leave it at minus 90. Then you go to position, shift it a bit. You get my point? Now that is not okay the way it is. It is not okay the way it is. So what you need to do, just tap on this OK button. Let's go to the beginning of the video and see what is happening. So guys, as you can see, there is a problem right here. Now from this particular point where the character is about to drop the chair and carry the earphone, that mask button, that mask option there, the mask line has caught the character, and it is not good that way. You get my point? So we need to work on it using the keyframe. You get my point? We are going to work on it using the keyframe. So what you need to do right here is you are going to tap on the adjust button right here. Now move the line to the character, to the third character. Guys, I hope you are following. Just move it to the third character. You get my point? So you are going to, maybe you can leave it right here. Tap on the fader button. Now you are going to increase the fader to 30. You get my point? Okay, just increase it to 35. Let it be at 35. That's very, very okay. You get my point? So you are going to add keyframe right there. So when the character is coming, as the character is moving, you come to position again. Now move it. Just move the line so that it will not get to the character's leg. You get my point? Something like what you see me do right now. So you move the video a bit. Move the video. Don't allow it to cut the character's leg, just like what you see me do right now. You get my point? So make sure the character gets to the position very well. So I will still have to move it either somewhere here. So as you can see, I've gotten everything correctly. So if I leave it right now, everything is going to work well. You get my point? So let's click on this OK button and play the video so that we will understand what we are doing. So look at it right here. So guys, look at it there. This is perfect. This is perfect. You get my point. So from here, you can now tap on each of the layers and make sure all of them align together towards the end. You get my point. So you just tap on this one. Just tap on this one right here. Now from follow the lead, tap on the third layer, split, and delete the ending part. Tap on the first layer, split, and delete. You get my point? Make sure all the layers aligned together. So that's just it. So guys, from here you can now click on the export button and export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So if you really enjoyed the tutorial, please like and share, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.